Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're going to check to see if we're able to sign in into our application. Now, for that, I need to check to see what user did I create it, right? I think I created TPM. And yeah, the password, I think it was secret something. But let's go ahead and see if we are able to log in, right? So TPM at Gmail, and then secret 1, 2, and 3, right? And it says method not allowed, right? So we need to wire that in. So it's not there yet. It's not working 100% because our form here is probably submitting, or maybe our route request is not getting the method post, right? So it says method not allowed here. So let's go and check the login. And you can see here that we don't have the methods post here. So we need to have, the parameter posts, right? And some of you probably got this and were able to correct it. That's why one of the reasons I did not do anything on that lecture, I did not finish it because I wanted you guys to find out any problems and fix it yourself. That's just a little skill, a little trick that I discovered over the years, teaching, that I leave things undone because I want some of you guys out there to think outside the box and do it yourself. So I try to hurry up as soon as possible, make any mistakes, and sometimes go to the next lecture and allow you guys to fix it. So anyway, let's go and let's come back here and let's check to see if that works now. 1, 2, 3. And you can see it says user object has no attribute of password, right? So it is going through now, but we're getting a different error here. Let's see if we have any other. So user password here is not correct, right? So yeah, I already know the problem with this one, but did you figure it out? So let's go back into the database real quick and let's see the field that we have there, right? Because it's saying that the user from the database doesn't have that, and it's completely 100% correct. It's not called password. It's called password hash, _hash, right? So let's go back and correct that. I love errors. I love mistakes because they help us become a lot better. So let's go ahead and fix that. Save it. Let's come back out again. And now let's try this again. Secret 1, 2, and 3. And we got redirected back here. Now, if we don't have any errors or anything like that, so we are in the blind here. We don't know if it worked. We don't know if we are logged in. If we check the console here, maybe we'll see some sessions here. Let me see if I can find it. This is local storage. These are the cookies. And you can see that I don't think any cookies were set. All right. So let's go back. And what I'm going to do here in the login.html is I want to display some errors here just to make sure that, something is happening here. So right above here, all right, let's go back here real quick in the app. And let me access the building here. So I do Control tilde, and it's going to bring this terminal here. And you can see, I don't see any issues here. All right, when I logged in, as a matter of fact, so let's go ahead and get that fixed up. So right here, let's see. Email and passwords are being sent. So right above here, I want to display some errors. So what I'm going to do is I want Jinja to help me out. So I'm going to say if errors, then I want to display them. I'm going to close the Jinja tag and if, and let's go ahead and loop through these errors here. And inside this div, I also want another div, but inside here, I want a list UL, and I want the list item here, right? All right, I don't know why I wasn't getting my auto completion there. So I'm gonna do the for loop right here. So for error or E in errors, and let me close the loop here, and for. All right. We'll style this later, but right now, I'm worried more about the errors that we're going to get. and I should be flashing some stuff here, right? As a matter of fact, that we're not flashing anything. So we should be flashing some stuff here. But we got errors though. Yeah, errors is gonna do fine for now, but we could flash some of this stuff later. But actually, we do have flashing in the base right here. So actually, we don't. We need to configure that. I thought we did. That was in another application. But let's go ahead and see if this passes in. Secret 123. And it says enter your email password to access invalid email or password. All right, so I'm going to register a new user here just because that one did not work. All right, so let me just put Jose here. And yeah. And the email for Jose is email Jose@gmail. Password, I'm going to set it up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. All right. So Jose at Gmail, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And boom, we're logged in. So it was working. It was just that we had the wrong password. So let's go back into application here, and you can see that we have a session here that's being set by our application. All right. Super, super, super cool, guys. Anyway, we're done with this lecture, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me, as a matter of fact, before you go, if you want to stay, I'm going to go ahead and style this a little bit. If you want to stay, you're welcome to stay. All right. I'm going to make this a little different. So it's up to you if you want to stay. Okay. So I'm going to put margin top 4. And I'm going to make this round. Excel. When you see Excel, when you see the different sizes here, we're talking about screen size, the device size, all right? So this is Tailwind CSS, of course, that we have in our base right here. All right, this is the CDN. So for those of you that don't know, this is a CSS framework. All right, so rows, I think we did 500 and then 20% before, something like that, right? I just want this to look a little good, right? Just a little bit. Font, we're going to say semi-bold. And margin bottom, I'll just give it some space there. And here for the list item, list disk, and list inside. I think I did this already for another one, for the registration, I believe. Space on the vertical to be 1. All right, let's see if that looks a little bit different. Let's go. Oh, we need to log out though. But anyway, that should do it for this. Let me just finish this up a little bit here. Background rows, and let me give you some padding, and then we're gonna see this on the next following lectures when we log out, right? I could actually take care of the session and delete it with the through here, but I don't want to do that right now. I want to do that the right way on the next lecture, right? But anyway, so I'm going to leave this like this. You're welcome to copy all these classes that we put in here, so that way your errors look good. But in the next lecture, we're going to work on the next steps here, which I think is a logout, okay? Protecting the dashboard, logging out, all that stuff is coming up next. I'll see you guys on the next lecture.